In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase PayPal withdrawal limit, 2024 full guide. First, let's quickly explain why PayPal has limits in the first place. If your account isn't fully verified, PayPal restricts how much you can withdraw, send, receive, or transfer. This is primarily to reduce fraud and to meet financial regulations, which means they need to know who is using the account and that the funds are moving to legitimate destinations. The good news is that once you complete verification steps, many of these limits are raised automatically. Start by verifying your PayPal account. Open PayPal and go to your wallet or settings. If you see prompts to confirm your identity, follow them. You may be asked to upload a government-issued ID and a proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the details on your documents match the information on your PayPal profile. If you haven't confirmed your email yet, do that as well, since it's often part of the verification checklist. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll usually see an immediate improvement in your account's sending and withdrawal capacities. Next, link and confirm your bank account, which is crucial for increasing withdrawal and transfer limits. In the wallet, select Link a Bank Account and enter your bank details. PayPal will send 2 small deposits to your bank within 2 to 5 business days. When they arrive, return to PayPal and enter the exact amounts to confirm the account. Make sure the name on your bank matches your PayPal account to avoid delays. After this confirmation, basic withdrawal limits are often removed or significantly raised. From there, simply use your account normally. Regular, legitimate activity, like receiving payments, making purchases, and avoiding disputes or chargebacks, signals to PayPal that your account is trustworthy. Over time, consistent behavior can lead to further automatic increases. Finally, check your limits and look for the Lift Limits option. Log in, open Settings, and go to Money, Banks, and Cards, or find the View Limits section if available. If you see a Lift Limits button, click it and complete any remaining tasks. This might include confirming your bank if you haven't already, linking and confirming a card, or uploading any documents PayPal requests. The button typically appears only when something is still unfinished. To wrap up, verify your identity and email, link and confirm a bank account, optionally add and confirm a card, upload any requested documents, and keep an eye on the Limits and Lift Limits area. Follow these steps and you'll be set to increase your PayPal withdrawal limit in 2024.